I think Outlook Snooze is one of the most underutilized tools that can help us stay organized. Here's an example of a problem that Outlook Snooze can solve. I say to my boss, hey, I just learned about this new thing that I really think we need to talk about. She says, yeah, I agree with you. Let's talk about it at the next steering committee in 2 weeks. Great, see you then. Here's the thing, I'm going to send hundreds of emails back and forth in the next 2 weeks with many people. There's a real possibility that I'm going to forget this email by the time the steering committee meeting comes around. Here's where Outlook Snooze can solve that problem. This feature is going to allow me to set a timer and bring that email back to the top of my box so that I remember it just in time for the meeting. I've navigated to my Outlook inbox and you can see an email from Adele that I want to be reminded of in 2 weeks. Select the email and choose Snooze from the toolbar. Now my inbox is on the Outlook beta, so it may look different than yours. Here is a screenshot of what your toolbar may look like. No matter which toolbar you have, the next steps will be the same regardless. So click on the drop-down arrow and you will see some options for later today, tomorrow, this weekend, or next week. These options are static and you cannot change them, so if you need to customize your date and time, click Choose a Date. A floating dialog box comes up where you can choose a custom date and time. To keep with our example, I'm going to select the 6th, which is 2 weeks from now. And then I'm going to choose at 9 a.m. in the morning. This gives me lots of time to read the email and prepare for my meeting. Now all you have to do is click Save. The email will move to a folder called Snoozed. If one does not already exist, Outlook will automatically create it. Just a tip here, when I did this for the first time, I could not find the folder. All I had to do was refresh the screen and it did show up. If you ever want to double check the message, just go to the Snoozed folder. Here you can see what messages have a clock icon for snooze and a date or time for when the message will reach the timer. When the date and time arrives, the message will appear in your inbox as an unread mail. If you're anything like me, these messages will get your attention first. Tell me in the comments below if you see a scenario where Outlook Snooze will be useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.